Hello everyone, my name is Zhengxiang Liu. Today I will present the topic bottle. Let's start first with agenda. In the first part, we will solve the problem what are web frameworks. It is the prerequisite knowledge before we learn bottle. Then we will deal with the question what is bottle. At last there will be some examples to show us how to use bottle. I hope you guys are clear with the agenda. Now here we go. Python is general purpose programming language. We can use it for different kinds of applications, including web development, and web frameworks is a collection of modules or packages which helps web developers in writing web development. With frameworks, we don't be worried about low-level details such as protocols, sockets, process or thread management. It makes the web development easier and faster by giving a structure for app development. They automate the implementation of common solutions, which give us flexibility to the developer to focus on the application logics instead of routine process. And frameworks also support patterns for faster, reliable, scalable, and easily maintainable web applications. There are many popular and famous frameworks like Django, Web2Py, Flask, CherryPy, and Bottle. Talking about Bottle is one of most famous and popular Python web frameworks. What makes it special is that it is probably the most macro one of web frameworks. It means that Bottle would not do everything like Django because Bottle has no extensions. Instead, it leaves only the essential operations for you. So Bottle usually used for creating simple websites. With this simplicity, you can easily have a good grasp of Bottle, and also it simplifies the web development because there are not any dependency other than Python standard library. So you don't need to worry about any problem when deploying. Bottle is single source file. You only need to download bottle.py and then you can directly develop the website. So it can be quickly started and run and save system spaces. By the way, Bottle supports Python 2.7 and Python 3. Bottle has 4 features. First of all, it requires function call mapping with support for clean and dynamic URLs. Secondly, it has fast and Pythonic built-in template engine and support for Marco, Jinja2, and Cheetah templates. Thirdly, it offers convenient access to form data, file uploads, cookies, headers, and other HTTP-related metadata. At last, Bottle is run in built-in HTTP development server, and it is capable with other HTTP servers like Buon and CherryPy. Now let me give you some basic example to help you understand Bottle and its coding. So first we need to learn how to install the Bottle. To download Bottle, we need to input pipe install Bottle and so because I already download the Bottle before, so it shows requirements already satisfied. And now we can use Bottle in Python. So the next things I want to show you is how to create a website. First, we need to import 2 functions, namely route and run. Route is going to set endpoints that user can use to request the pages on your site, and run function is simply going to run the server. So root is the decorator that you need to add sign, and here you need to specify the endpoint that you want to use. I will use the index, so I put slash here. Then I need to create a function underneath the root function. So I input def index, and after I have index, I need to return some HTML. So I'm going to say I'm bottle. Yep. And after that, all you need to do is using run function to run the server. Let me start it. Yeah. And it tells me that I need to listen on the 127.0.0.1.80.80. So if you open this link, and you will see in the browser, I am bottle, which I input at here. So with these 5 lines, we can create a simple web applications. Bottle is very simple and efficient while developing the web. For root, it is not important if you insert slash here or anything else. For example, if you insert login here, it means you change your endpoints to login. So you can insert anything you want. It is just a name. So with root function, we can create new routes. This route is the unique name of a web application, and it is essential because someone will request this URL and then reach the interface. So a web application without route is useless. So we have already created a route at here. It is the root. Now we will create more route. For example, we created 2 pages by using root function. They are login page and register page. Let's start it. And we will get a URL here. If we open it, it's like the same as we showed at the first section. And if I add login here, I will get the login page. And if I insert register, so I will reach to the register page. In the fourth part, I will show you how to create customer error pages in Bottle. So typically when an error occurs on your application, and you will see some website like that, it is not the original error page, but more visually friendly. The web framework will come back to some error pages if we create a customer error page through Bottle. The first things I need to do is to import root, run, and arrow function. To create an arrow page, I need to import a decorator called arrow at here. All I need to do is to input add arrow and then insert one argument. This argument is the arrow code that will be showed in customer error page. For example, I put 404 at here. And define a function named arrow404, take one parameter at here, and return you have experienced a 404 error. First, if I don't create a customer error page when I open a run route, it looks like this. Let's get started. And if it opened, so if I insert a wrong page, it will look like this page. It is the original error page. Then if I add an error page when I open a wrong route, the server will show the page I want to display. So for example, I open the route, and when I insert a wrong route here, it will show you have experienced a 404 error, which is I insert and create at here. So that is all about my presentation. Thank you for attention.